Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll continue our previous lecture that is customizing media and charts. So we'll try to customize theme font and we'll try to change theme color as well. And then we'll try to reset the slides and then we'll be changing the background of the slides. Now, changing the theme font. Let's see. We can change the theme font. So we have to go to the design. Okay. So in the design, we have a theme and the variant. So we'll click on the variant. Now in this variant, we'll click on the font. Now for the whole, this font is for the theme. Yani, so whatever you will change, for example, look at that. As soon as you move your cursor, it is changing the font on the slide. You see here? There you go. So I would like to go for the Franklin Gothic for the slides. Okay. So now all my slides will have the same font for. So this was the changing of theme font. Now let's go and look at changing the color. So if I just go here again, design, and in the variant, if I go for the color, you can see at this point in time we are on a paper color. You see here, paper is selected. Now let me change it back to the office. Now you didn't find much change here. Okay, now because for this one, if you see, this is almost same. This is like a if you go for the customized color, almost all the styles are having a black text and a white background. Okay, and then this is the accent which we can talk about. Accent is for the charts and for the shapes, and this is the hyperlink. So if we move our slide, if we go to slide number 5 or 6, then you may see the effect of changing this color. So I can go to the variant. In the variant, I can click on the color. Now if you see here, you see, so it's changing the background and it's changing the stuff. You see here, you see. So these actually theme colors are changing, are giving their effects on the table and the chart and the images. If we have pictures, we have the shapes we have. So that is what it is. So similarly, if you go for the chart, something like that, and you say click over there and the font, and then you see here, now you have to click on that. For example, I want this one yellow. So if I click on that, you see the effect of the on the chart as well. So based on this, if I go for the paper, I selected the paper. So these colors can be changed as per the. But if you see on this slide, because the background color is white, and for almost all of them, and for the text color is black almost, or maybe the dark blue, so you may not see the impact of the on the screen. Okay, now so let's change the customize theme color. So we'll go for the color, and I will say, if you see here, so let's create our own custom. So I can go for the customize. Okay, now in this one, if I can say, okay, this is my green, and the green which I'm looking at is not available here. So is available here for luckily, but this is olive green. I'm looking for the dark green, this one. So I can click this part. Okay, and similarly, I want to go for the purple color, and purple is not available here. Is it available? It's dark purple. I need the light purple. Okay, so let's go for the more colors. Now in this one, I can see that this is the dark purple. Okay, and if I keep coming inside, I get the light purple color. So maybe I would like to go for more lighter color. So, or maybe this one. Yeah, this is better. So I can click on that and I can say, now you see here, I got a light purple background. So I can click on the save. This is my custom too. I can name it flower. So I can save on that, and you see the purple color is applied on all my slides. Okay, and the green text is there. The green text and the purple background is there for. Now let's go for deleting the custom theme. Okay, so I want to go and I want to delete the custom theme. So for example, I would love to delete this flower. Okay, and I want to keep this my custom color which I have created before, and I want to apply that color, for example this one, because this is a bit more lighter on the purple side, so I like it. So let's go. And now, for example, I want to reset my slide. You know, resetting is something, yeah, if you have you know, moved this object somewhere, or if you have changed the font which is not the default font for the slide, so, or maybe you made it a bold, and if it is not bold in the in the master slide. For example, if I go for the view and master slides, I can see that this font is not bold. Okay, this font is not bold. Let me go on the top. This font is not bold and this font is not bold, right? So originally the style is not bold. So what I can do is I can go up there. I can say, okay, I want to reset my slide. So if the font is bold here and originally it is not bold, so it will be reset. There you go. You see that? I can do undo again. You see the difference? And the image is moved as well. You know, the image is moved. Image was, but the default position of the image is this one. So that is how, when we reset the slide, let's see here. If I reset the slide, you will see if there is a change in the text, it will be changed. If there's a problem, and if we have applied some other styles to this image, it will be reset. There you go. Oh, so this is gone, the bold is gone, and the frame is gone as well. Okay, I can do the undo, go back here. So you remember that we did the reflection, the full reflection, and the size is bold as well here. Let's see, originally it is not bold. So this is no more bold now. This is no more bold, but this is gone. So that is how, you know, we can reset the slides, and we can look here. This is bold here, okay? And how about this one? This is also bold. Let me reset the slide. You know, when we reset the slide, you see the bold is gone. You got it? So that is how we can do the resetting the slide. And okay, let's apply gradient background. So we can go to the design, and then we can go for the background style. In the design, we can go for the variant, and then we can go for the background style. Okay, so I can pick the style number 5, which is this one, and I can apply, and it is applied on all slide. Okay, so let's go to slide number, okay, now I want this slide, this is my title slide, I want to have a background picture. So what I can do is I can go to the slide master. In the slide master, I can go to this title master. If you see, if I move my cursor here, it says title slide. So what I can do is I can insert a picture, and which is this one. Okay, now if you see, oops, not like that. I have to go for design, background style, sorry, this is in background format. So I can go for picture, and I can say insert from the file, and this is the picture. There you go. Now in this part, I can say, yeah, I can go to the picture here. Okay, and what I can do is I can say, okay, I want to preset like this one. Oh, And then I want to maybe minus 46 or 50 is okay. Similarly, in the contrast, I can see how I can go this way or that way, you know, whatever is convenient for me, I can go onto that point. Okay, now, so this is what we have done. We did the picture correction. We have done the preset, and then we change the brightness of the and the contrast of the picture. Now what we can do is we can change the color. So if I go inside and I say, okay, I would like to go for yellow color, and I wanna, there you go. And now in this part, if I say I wanna go for the dark brown, orange color, and there you go. So I got the orange color. So I change my background of the title slide only, huh? And then I change the color of my font, text font, and that's it. So let's go back to my, close the slide view, go to the normal view. And now if you see on this slide, I have a flower in the background, then yellow color and the orange color. And if I go for the next slide, you see the next slide has, now on the slide number 5, what I want to do is I want a little bit different. If you see, I can go for the, again, I can go for the design, I can go for customize format background. Okay, actually I'm already on the format background, but this is the way: design, customize, group, and the format background. Now I want to change the texture of the picture. So I can click on the picture or texture. Now I got the texture here. You see that? In this texture, I want this one. This is pink tissue paper. I can click on that. Now if you see, this is pink tissue paper for this slide, and for the other slides, I'm all set like a normal one. Okay, so that's it for today. As we have already done this part. So inshallah, in the next lecture, we'll be talking about customizing the bullets, create and apply custom themes, and we'll be working on a second theme as well. Okay, so that's it for today. We have to say kafara majlis. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.